Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Zoe Couple. Welcome back to the Hong Kong series. So I wanted to see Hong Kong from the highest point possible. So we are now going towards the Peak Hong Kong and we will be going there by tram. To come to the tram station, we have taken the MTR, and from North Point station, we have come to Central Station and took the exit J2. You have a beautiful view of these skyscrapers and the lush greenery around them. So this is going to be a walk of 15 to 20 minutes from here because it's a hillside. So it's quite a walk towards the tram station. Come with me. I'm really enjoying the views here. The fountains, the greenery, and so many flowers around makes it a beautiful scenery while we are on the go. We have reached the station and now moving to get the tickets. You will also find Madame Tussauds here, and there are tickets available for both Peak and Madame Tussauds, which you can buy a combo. While waiting for your number to get the ticket, you can experience the old engines which were used in the trams long ago. There is a small video which is played here which shows the electric era and the steam engine era when the tram used to follow that. Here is the first carriage which was used in the tram when they were introduced in the Hong Kong, and the team which was behind this progress. And here you can see the old ticket center where the handwritten tickets were issued at that time. So we have got our ticket. I've taken both side tram, which costed me 108 Hong Kong dollars. And here I've attached the Peak Tram tickets and the combo you can avail, where you can also see the Sky Terrace 428. I'm now moving to the jungle themed waiting area. This is very beautiful and I can see the birds singing and some monkeys jumping around. The gates are open and now we have to wait for our tram here, and you can now see a tram coming back from the Peak. It looks very beautiful and spacious. Also see the glass everywhere, so you can have all the views around. Can't wait to be inside. So we are inside and this is how it looks from inside. We have big glass windows and even the ceiling is made of glass. So you get a 360 view from inside. The Victoria Peak is Hong Kong's most popular attraction. It's more than just stunning vistas or a great shopping or dining experience. It's an amazing collection of unique must-visit attractions, providing you with a diverse, fun-filled experience of Hong Kong's living culture. Getting to the Peak by the Peak Tram is an unforgettable experience for anyone. It is one of the world's oldest and the most famous funicular railways. The tram rises to 396 meters, which is about 1300 feet above the sea level, and it is so steep that the buildings you pass look like they are leaning a gradient of between 4 to 25.7 degrees. Whether you are going up or coming down, you will love this trip, like I did. Do you know, according to a study by the University of Hong Kong, passengers riding on the Peak Tram will experience a spectacular visual illusion. When going uphill, the high rises of the right ride of the tram appears to fall towards the peak. The peak tram illusion is induced by the chance of the subjective vertical caused by the tilted visual environment and reclining body position of observers inside the tram. You need to take a ride and experience the peak tram illusion. We have reached the peak tram station now, and this is the way out. You can buy souvenirs from these shops, and these are very high quality and very good souvenirs. I have been to the markets of Hong Kong and I couldn't find the fridge magnets or the souvenirs you will find here. So don't miss this chance. We are inside the Peak Tower now, which is Hong Kong's number one destination and is also one of the most stylish architectural icons in Hong Kong. With an avant-garde design representing the epitome of modern architecture, the spectacular tower has been featured in millions of photographs and postcards around the world. Moreover, the Peak Tower boasts the highest viewing platform, Sky Terrace 428, standing at 428 meters above the sea level. Sky Terrace offers a spectacular panoramic views of the vibrant city, from the stunning cityscape to the tranquility of green landscape. Inside the Peak Tower, there is a dazzling array of restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues set against the beautiful backdrop of the city, caters to all ages and tastes. After experiencing great views from the Peak Tower, we are now moving to the Hong Kong Trail. This walk circles the peak for excellent viewing of Hong Kong, Kowloon, Victoria Harbour, and outlying islands. The views are amazing from here as well. I can now experience the Hong Kong skyline from my naked eyes, not through a glass. Once you exit the Peak Tower, keep right until you get to the Lugard Road. From there, you will pass the first bridge to be built over the city's steep hills, luxury peak residence, and a picnic area. At the end of Lugard Road, turn into Harlech Road, which will bring you back to the starting point. Before going back, you can grab a meal or a coffee from Pacific Coffee or Arabica, and there is also a Burger King and Baba Shrimp Company's restaurant available in the Peak Tower. It is time for me to head back to tram and go for exploration of more Hong Kong touristy spots, which I can show you in the upcoming videos. I am leaving you with some information regarding the Peak Tram, how the opening hours and every other detail which I have. And I hope you will also enjoy this on your trip to Hong Kong. Do let me know if you like the vlog and if you like this video and this series, and if you have any questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I will be happy to answer that. Till then, keep watching and please like this video, subscribe to our channel to see more such videos coming up. Bye.